thing.
Yeah. I cheer something, man.
So I come storm preparation and food preparation, pick up some jelly coconut, and now in done. When we just come out, me have a meeting. We just come out. All me hear is boop 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 boop. Watch her, look, watch her, watch her, watch her, watch her, watch her. Coconut galore. Eh? Hands up there.
Yeah. Well, for hands.
Oh, for hands. I'm sorry. No, get them bite you up.
No, they don't really bite me, but you know, them just the enough for them.
Oh my
But
God,
that's cool.
Some the pan you same way.
Aye, that's cool. That's cool.
Yeah. Sorry, I.
Yeah, man, you're good, man. Yes, man.
So just like that, done. Oh, I. While you're there, you can help me something.
Yeah.
Stand preparation. You see, look on the roof there, so.
This one?
You see that ease off?
Yeah.
If we can put the ladder upon it, we can put 1 or 2 blocks up there.
Yeah, man. Yes, man.
But you can rest up yourself. You want to drink on jelly coconut me chop on for you?
Well, go on now. That's good.
Okay. Then fridge freezer.
Yeah, you know,
Wait, a jelly this? You think this one a jelly?
yeah. Thank you. So we just pick them. You know, say, Tom and them something there forward. Yeah, Jamaica. So we can't hungry. The coconut, look more breadfruit. Yeah. Look more breadfruit. You know one of them too. Let me keep one for you. That's it. Maybe you know for sure enough water and
meat in there. Alright, thank you. You hot for real, it's nice.
Yeah. Hot and cold. Hot and cold, nothing like where they have hot and cold water. It's like temperature. You see me? This is the temperature. Yeah. Jelly, this is the spoon. We use it and dig out them something here. Call it coconut meat, the real meat.
Oh my God, thank you so much.
Yeah.
You take strength, you know?
Yeah. Take strength. That's right. We have to take care of we go to that spend time. You know, don't go here. Yeah. Take strength, man.
One hand camera and one hand meat. I'll make sure this. All right, I eat and marry. Eat and be merry because tomorrow you will die, right?
Yeah.
So then say. I said my grandfather used to say.
I know what will happen in the future. But
Near future or far future?
right now in the future, can remember the people them before we, they must say in the future. In a for them time and now, you know, because remember when them attack so we did lecture. So now we kind of big now.
We live the future for them. Talk wisdom, man.
We are little future for them for you, man. And you see everything we have breadfruit, then we have ackee.
What Aki, you come fast, man.
Yeah.
You put the Aki tree.
Yeah.
Put Aki up there.
Oh,
Open the blow away.
I have a coconut tree now because somebody toast up. Have I made it on toast up pan?
Yeah, so at the palm tree, yeah.
So I know 10 on the number here. You know when you feel like young right through your life.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, coconut that's something way. Alright, if you all the highlight, you remember one time when I use the oil to like lotion, rub up by your foot or your
Yes,
hand and then.
yes. Then they using them more?
Yeah. It,
Okay.
but you know, it's quite not expensive, you know.
I know.
Yeah, if you want a little flask buckle them, that must be what? Last time I $1,500, now I go to $2,000.
Oh my god.
Yeah, coconut. Coconut
Okay.
oil here, my friend.
There's the two man gone on the roof. I one of the bedroom. You see? The two man them on the roof. And nil. I still have me. In backpack on. And I go and see him way. So me ask I if he can go out, find a man if he can look on the rooftop. And now two of them will come. It'll be little work for me. I appreciate it so much. This is community effort, okay? And this still exists at Jamaica. Right in Jamaica, this still exists. Even when I ask the man how much he charge me, he said, no man, you know, take no money. I got to separate whatever I offer him. It's like whatever I can contribute. And I appreciate that because sometimes some people try to get as much as they can off you. And of course, understandable because the system set up in that way. But anyways, jam down, stand preparation. I go on. I go back, go finish pick up coconut. On top of the world, aye.
Yeah, on top of the world. Aye. Who went already? Most of the school, it makes sense to walk now to look for me. In a school, you know, you can do there's nothing you can go to school.
Wait, there's a screw they have on it? Okay. I learned say, a screw we are using now for, Mr. Talk to the camera. Say a screw we are using now for rooftop.
Yeah, man, a school
No zinc nail no more.
Instrument for school.
Oh, you never carried instrument for screw? Oh, okay. But some of them can screw on tighter, so you say?
You don't need no tighter, they're not supposed to hold tight down
Okay.
there. Now going further.
You make sure you know come here, I can find it tomorrow.
You have to find me after a breeze blow, so
You secure
if you
for
have a damage, you will have to find me after a breeze blow.
you?
I hope you don't have a damage.
No, me too. How about you? For your place secure? You secure?
It's a building I'm on me right now. I don't think the job don't need a pound over to me blind place no cause to me it's like we don't know what to do. But you're not gonna spend some time and fix yours. More the breeze come. We're gonna mash you up or mash up somewhere. I'm going to give somebody tell the breeze say, man do what you're going to do. Tomorrow we do the work after you finish.
Oh.
You finish the repair.
Okay.
You say no.
I hear you.
Come on, I just do we never make a job up to supply them.
Okay. So south. In that direction?
The breeze coming from?
What direction they come from?
On the north side, it's about so more like on that side.
On that side, yeah. Oh, okay.
So east now.
Back to coconut. Look on this. On the harvest. Lord God, and still there's two or three more on the lime tree. Alright, final inventory. This are the jelly coconut in this pile. Over there, half-hard coconut. And here, dry coconut. What I learned is jelly coconut, they don't shake. They're solid as a rock when you shake them. The half-hard shake a little bit. And then this one shake a lot and light. I think the half-hard shake just a little bit. Or even a shake at all. But we can tell from the skin, say old. Look at the texture of the skin. This is old versus this skin that's new. You see how smooth this is? Or even this is a better tell how smooth. Anyways, this is my view, what I've learned so far. And then we have these ones. I think these ones are Cobra. Then dry. They don't shake at all. But more keep them for see what we can do with them. So again, coconut inventory, storm preparation. We ox out some dry coconut already, thanks to I. Now take them inside, and then next business, I'm putting away these buckets off to the side, so in case the wind blow them, blow them away. So in Jamaica, good old Jamaica, nobody in a rush. At least in a country, nobody in a rush, take it easy. So the man them finish look on the roof and say everything alright. And now they must sit down on a reason on the rooftop. No rush. A reason on the rooftop. No rush. Lay back Jamaica. One of the man have spliff. And the other one just chill out. Some wait till them come down. So do my stamp preparation. Mom, don't take on the time. A reason. That's what I say.
You told them so we can let you forward the knowledge.
Me say this is good old Jamaican style and there's no rush. Just sit down and just enjoy. A reason.
What more life would what more would do in life more beautiful life would be? If all of us as mankind could live together and live peaceful and loving, you know how life would be. We could talk to each other and tell you, say, hungry, you want food to eat. Get food to eat.
Yes.
We could already prepare it for us.
Yes. Yes, have a good evening.
Which is just how mankind take it off and unfold it. Yeah, we take
So,
it to the
young man, tell me, what's your name?
Give me a name now, you can't remember.
Oh my God, you see this how the name come about, right? Frankie Paul. Okay, Frankie Paul then. Yes, Frankie Paul, just come true. Whichever, choose your pick.
No, you know the one where I know jelly, so I'm showing you that.
The first one, the first set. Anything from the pile, jelly. Yes, so I'm put one back. Yes.
No, I disappointed a little part.
Oh,
I'm not going to do
all right, I think you're good for the time.
Thank you so much. We really appreciate you come out of your bed, out of your resting for come look. Sorry, in your bed. Come out of your yard.
Just come off a rooftop around this.
Oh, okay. Well, me appreciate it. Say wash off your heart. Oh, yeah, good.
No, to me, no food blessed like this one. I mean, I want to go something coming on and develop with water.
Water, can you imagine?
I mean, your food and water, you have to drink and eat like when you drink.
Oh my God.
Oh.
But you have to go up there and carry, and then me saying, you have to go up there first, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you go with the blocks same way. I thought you have to go up there first and then me have to pass them.
Yeah.
You can go right up there. Look how you, me say, I just free stuff. One or two.
Well, let me see. This is one you can go there, so.
Uh-huh.
Then we put this there, so. None of you can see up here.
Well,
You just put them in the lap. Just put them in the lap.
So maybe I want one more right there.
all right then. So one here. You want to put that one there, so? Mine, I.
I'll come no further up on us.
Mine. Because I don't know how strong that be.
Come no further up on us.
Alright.
Good now, we're good. Run this a lift up too?
Yeah.
Alright then, maybe that one here then.
Yeah.
I on top of the world.
Yeah, tall up.
Yes.
All fruits there up here, roots.
Alright, so another securing of this hut because part of the roof lift up, so I just secure it with Frankie Paul. Frankie Paul, right? I hope I remember his name. He's such a lovely man. I can tell so somebody we can reason with too.
Picks up a stone.
Mm-hmm.
One stone, good mercy.
No.
This is too
You
long.
know how far world is. You know what dimension world I go on.
Right now, me look on and say, there is no professor I know one way can take me up and wrap me up. Me laugh at time.
Mm-hmm.
I think that now, so if you not come within the truth and the reality when me know and say, you can't fool me. You have to fool me after that. It's more thing around say river deep and where. Me analyze that. Me see me yes, me in my mind, but me not must believe you. I don't want to brainwash me and tell me say deep. I can know for myself too. So me tapping on my brain and know for myself too.
Yes, yes, that's the key.
Tapping on my consciousness.
Yes.
I don't want, you think I want conscious to,
Yeah.
you go to degree.
God give you all of the knowledge, man. Everybody got it, but I told them no.
Lose the wisdom.
Ah,
A man get bigger than a man, more than wisdom.
everybody get it.
Everybody get brain.
Ah,
Body born with brain in your head.
that will be fine.
But the wisdom part, I just up, separate.
Alright. And that's why until I say you have to seek wisdom. Going at the crossroad, going to the city, going, you have to go everywhere. But seek it. Cause maybe within in a bush and you know find out when you see some woman goat in a wider part, you go seek it. All you do listen. Cause when you say seek wisdom, what you take say about. And listen, you have to go listen and really know if what they must say are the things. You see, you see me I say, that's why you see me have one tune on me I say, them not have a clue. Them don't know if a lie or true. Wisdom is just a few. What happened to you? You see me?
Go on, you have lyrics.
Yeah.
Lyrics.
Yeah, because I remember saying, the next part of me I say, not believe everything they written. The youth them still bad and them Christian. You see me? You see me? Them not deal with the real issue. You see me? Yeah.
No, deal with the real reality.
No, they not deal with the real issue because them never did a listen. Alright, yeah man. They never did a listen, that's why I'm
You
going.
just have to know yourself, looking at the truth and you find it. Know yourself. Bottom line, know yourself.
And I really
Correct,
bottom
back to
line,
that.
you know.
Or the top line.
Either the middle line or the side line.
Alright, top line.
Or the-
Know
or the
yourself.
above line.
Know yourself. That come back to know yourself. Okay, that's Frankie Paul on his way out. Aye. On his way out. Oops. And then me and this ladder. I take around on Miss Mary. So this is the way we roll. Yeah, just rub it up like that.
Alright.